Hey everyone, welcome to Code With Me. In today's video, we're starting an exciting journey into JavaScript, one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to strengthen your skills, this series will take you from zero to hero. So, in this video, we will cover: what is JavaScript? History of JavaScript, role of JavaScript in web development, how JavaScript works in browsers, setting up the development environment, writing your first JavaScript program, JavaScript versus other programming languages. Make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language used to make web pages interactive. It can handle user interactions, animations, and even back-end development with technologies like Node.js. Think about when you click a button on a web page and something changes without reloading the page, or when a form checks your details before submitting. That's JavaScript at work. History of JavaScript. JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich while working at Netscape. Initially, it was called Mocha, then LiveScript, and finally, JavaScript. Over the years, it has grown into one of the most important languages in web development. Here's a quick timeline. 1995, created as Mocha. 1996, renamed JavaScript. 2005, the rise of Ajax for dynamic web apps. 2009, introduction of Node.js for back-end development. 2015, ECMAScript 6, ES6 brought major improvements. 2024, JavaScript continues to evolve and power modern applications. Role of JavaScript in web development. JavaScript is one of the three core technologies of web development, alongside HTML and CSS. HTML structures the web page. CSS styles it. JavaScript makes it interactive. Without JavaScript, websites would be static and unresponsive. It enables everything from simple animations to complex web applications. How JavaScript works in browsers. When you write JavaScript code, your browser has a built-in JavaScript engine that reads and executes it. For example, Chrome uses the V8 engine, and Firefox uses SpiderMonkey. You can test this right now. Open your Chrome browser, press F12 to open Developer Tools. Go to the Console tab and type console.log hello JavaScript. Hit Enter, and you'll see the message appear in the console. Setting up the development environment. To start coding JavaScript, we'll use two tools. 1, the browser console, which we just saw. 2, a code editor like Visual Studio Code. To set up, download and install VS Code from code.visualstudio.com. Install Node.js from nodejs.org. Open a terminal and type node-v to check if Node.js is installed. Now you're ready to write JavaScript outside the browser too. Writing the first JavaScript program. Let's write our first JavaScript program inside VS Code. Create a new file called script.js and type this: JavaScript console.log hello world. Save the file, open a terminal, and run bash node script.js. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see Hello World printed on your screen. Congratulations, you just wrote your first JavaScript program. JavaScript versus other programming languages. How does JavaScript compare to other languages? Compared to Python, JavaScript is faster for web development, but not as strong in data science. Unlike Java, JavaScript is not compiled, but is more flexible. JavaScript is easier to learn than C++ and is perfect for beginners. It's a versatile language that runs everywhere, on browsers, servers, and even mobile apps. That's it for today's introduction. See you in the next video.